Hi folks, Ross Johnson here with Kriete Truck Center Racine down in Franksville, Wisconsin. Today showing you a brand new VNL64T860 Volvo. The truck has a Volvo D13 engine with the 455 horsepower with the turbo compound. It is matched up with a 13-speed I-shift transmission with a 2.15 rear axle ratio. A lot of the Volvos that you see out there now are only a 12-speed. This is a 13-speed transmission in this truck. The truck has a lot of the creature comforts as far as bunk heater, electric cooler, and inverter. Sliding fifth wheel and air release also. As you can see on the back of the truck here, it's got a Volvo pintle hitch, and this truck is set up for any FedEx ground contractors that need the truck to be able to spec it to meet their FedEx's specifications. Take a look at the inverter underneath the bunk, and it also has shore power in the truck. Take a look on the inside, all new dash and interior. This particular truck was spec'd out with Madura cloth seats, and there's the new dash that lights up. For 2025, it's a little bit different. The refrigerator is right there on the passenger side. You got a drawer, TV, bracket for a flat screen, and then up here is your microwave, where you'd put a microwave to be able to plug in. This is a double bunk. The bunk's on top with the ladder on the bottom. The ladder folds down. And on this side, behind the driver's side, is a hanging closet for hanging clothes. More storage up here. More storage above the driver's side too. And also on the passenger side. The new 2025 VNL64T860 is very quiet and very smooth running compared to last year's model. If you're interested, we do have several models in stock down here in Franksville. If you want to take a look at one a little bit closer, or if you want to take a test drive, just give me a call at 262-822-5571. My name is Ross Johnson with Kriete Truck Centers. Again, phone number is 262-822-5571. Have a good day. Thanks.